Hey guys, I'm CoBuystedt over at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to show you the Jayco 382 FLRB. Let's take a look inside. Well, as we're passing, I guess I'll just show you this. We got a bay right here, that's good for a generator. And then you got these extra little storage cubbies around it. You come inside. Here's your through storage bay. It's a little bit tighter than some of the other ones, but I'll show you something that's amazing that makes up for that. Vacuum system right here too. That's awesome. So let's head all on inside. Well, that makes up for that front bay, doesn't it? No, I'm just kidding. You get a kitchen right here. Right here, you can access this bay from both sides. I love that, by the way. It makes it super easy to reach everything. And here's the other side of that same bay, both sides. It's important to have things accessible from both sides. Not everybody wants to crawl all the way up inside these things. You get a 4 solid step. You got the extension on your handle right here so you can, reach from the ground. And it's got the support beam right here as well. Not all of them that extend have this support beam. Plus side is when I lift this and I get the bottom leg out, it lifts the top one instead of flexing just the bottom and the top stays. It's common on some other brands. So coming up into here, this is like one of my favorite rigs. I say that every time. But here's the kitchen right here. You get your island. You get a solid surface countertop. You get the insignia. So this is becoming very popular, and annoyingly, everybody is starting to man these. And the reason I say annoyingly is because not everyone is doing them yet. You get the cooktop right here. It's 4 burners. They're very spaced out. But this is the beauty, is that your oven will actually fit a turkey in there. The hinge for the oven door is all the way to the ground. Sometimes the door is like this big. It's like half of this. So it's like a residential. Very big microwave. Opens the whole face. That's kind of nice looking. And you get your refrigerator and your freezer right here. This is both gas and electric. Tons of space, being that it's got the double wide. Your sink right here is the one big sink, undermounted, stainless steel. This little cuddling board, and then here's your dinette area right here. Get your own little light fixture too. I love these. There's some right here as well. So if you think you've seen it all in floor plan by now, chances are you probably have. Because everybody does their version of the same exact floor plan. These guys did it different though. This is a front living and a rear bedroom sort of model. I've never seen one like this, being that the front living is backwards. So this would be the first rig that I've seen that does this. So go ahead and take a peek upstairs. You can see that right in the front you have chairs facing this direction. It's got a televator, which is so cool. They've boxed it in completely all the way around. And there's something real special about it I'll show you in a minute. But it's nice to face that direction. When you have a fifth wheel, a lot of the times things people explain is claustrophobia. And that's unfortunate. It's very real. That's why I love front livings, because you have an entire amount of space that just goes all the way to the back with no walls separating up bedrooms and slicing and dicing. It feels very open. And when you flip the living room backwards, there's 2 benefits. When I sit here, not only am I seeing my living room, I'm seeing past into the kitchen all the way up to my bedroom door. I just get a sense of space. I feel like I have room because I'm facing all of it. The second benefit is this TV pops up, and on the other side of this TV you get your own kitchen TV. So you can watch all the cooking videos or whatever you want to do separately in here and there. That is so cool to me. And then your button is right here to bring the thing down. I love backwards living rooms. I love new stuff. This is very new and refreshing. Like I said, every brand is doing the same version of whose floor plan, and it's all just, it starts to blend together. It's nice to see when they switch it up. Here's your bath and a half. I guess this would be the half. You get solid surface, everything in there. You also have the little sink, little mirror. Actually, I'll just show you this. I know it's tight because we're just a video, but there's a little hinge and a place for your medicine stuff and whatever. I almost said spices. Who's gonna put spices inside of a bathroom? Come up into here. You got your king bed. So nice. You got the cup holder, little perch to put your phone there. You got these closets. You got a dresser all built into the wall. It goes all the way down. Here, let's have our better angle here and show this off. I love it. TV right here. You still get your window. This always makes me laugh because every brand does it. You get an exit, emergency exit, if you ever have to get out, so that this can come off and you can like get out and fall to your doom because you're like on the top floor. I wonder why everyone does that. I guess you just legally have to have a certain amount of emergency exits. We have sliding doors right here. They meet in the middle. Very wide entry. Toilet right here. This is the first time I've seen the bathroom like counter stuff be like built up into the corner. Benefits being you get these top sinks, which are super beautiful, but they're split, his and hers, or whatever you're gonna call it. You get a little dresser sort of set up right here too. You can fit, I mean, that's the same amount of things I have in my bathroom. And the massive shower everybody rages about. Fits the tall guys. And you can sit down right here. I've like jumped on this seat a couple times to try to prove a point. And then you get your shower right here, adjustments. This does come off and let you point it around, spray people on the bed, whatever you're doing. And yeah, that's the layout. That's the floor plan. Last thing I didn't show that I just now thought of is right here. So these can be uninstalled, and you can install a washer and dryer right here, the stackable style. And that's nice. But they right now have it displayed in shelf mode because not everybody wants those, but you can if you want. Storage underneath the bed. Everything has that, but gotta show it. Sliding door to the bedroom. You have your little privacy. You just pull this little rubber band off of the little hook if you're stronger than me. There it is. I didn't show this. Little tiny coat hook area. Normally I wouldn't say little tiny, but that would fit my one coat. So what? The one downside, I guess, I don't know. If you have like windbreaker coats, you could fit 10 in there, but look at the kind that I wear. Anyways, thank you for watching my video, guys. If you have any questions about how it's built or any more details about compatibility with what truck you have or whatever you're trying to do, I can answer them. You can just call me, CoBuystedt, at 541-735-1535. That would be my personal cell phone number. You can text me as well. And just let me know that you saw my video. That way I know, where you came from and what worked for me. And we'll see if we can make some sense of what you're trying to do. Thank you.